Hi friends, this is Sevakoti Yelamachili and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Knowledge Hacks. In my previous videos, we will cover what is Nmap and what are the uses of Nmap, and we will cover some topics and some scans. The topics like how to scan a total LAN network and how to find open ports and closed ports and what is the OS they are using. These are the topics that we'll cover on my previous videos. In this video, we will learn Nmap scan techniques. How the Nmap will scan and how to bypass firewall. If you scan particular port, the result we get from the scan will go to the port in the form of packet. The communication is stored in log files. If the cyber people has put case on you, then for illegal activities you have punished. Then the threats and Nmap activities also wrong. Now in this video, I will show you some techniques how to solve those problems without getting trouble. And also we will see how the TCP communication will work with the proof of concepts for packet analyzing. I am already open my wireshrak, so I will show you packet incoming and outgoing. It means when we perform a Nmap scan using a particular port or a particular thing, what is the process done in a background? I will show you clearly. First type Nmap. From here you will get a lot of information about scanning techniques. Now I am searching for scan techniques. See, these are the scans. Here each command will perform a specific scan like stealth scan, character scan, aggressive scan, UDP scan, Nullscan. These are the some types of scans. Each scan will prepared for one specific use. I will show you advanced techniques with proof of concepts. Before that, you have to know about TCP three-way handshake. TCP means transmission protocol, means a transmission control protocol. Here I will show you small type examples for you. Here you will see client and server. The client send your SYN packet to server, and then server send SYNAC packet to client. Then again the client send YAC packet to server. Then the connection will be established. For a networking beginners, it will be difficult what I am saying. No problem, I will explain again. First, Nmap will send a SYN packet to server. In that case, the specific server is open on the time. It will receive and it will send SYNAC packet as a reply to the client. Means Nmap, the client will send a YAC packet to the server. Then the connection will be established. In case the port is closed, the client send a SYN packet to server. Then the server did not send any reply to the client because the port is closed. In this server, this is the background process of Nmap. If you scan 1000 ports, it will send packet to the 1000 ports, and the result we will get from those scans will be based on the, if you scan 1000 ports, it will send packets to 1000 ports, and the result we will get from those scans will be based on that three-way handshake. By using that only it will show you the result. This is the process. Nmap will scan in background. The process is called three-way handshake. Now I will show you false positive will be in which scan. I hope you guys this three-way handshake is understood to all. The process is done in packet format. The question is what is a packet? A packet is a small amount of data sent over a network such as LAN, internet. Each packet includes sources and destinations as well as in the content being transferred. If you want to find more information about packets, search in Google. You will get lot of information. For example, if you want to download movie, the movie will be downloaded in percentage like 1%, 2%, so on like 100%. Here each percent is one packet after downloading 100 packets, it will be converted to full movie. I have given this example for understanding purpose. The packet is nothing but a data. In the networking topic, we have total 65,535 ports are available. Now I will show you Nmap scan techniques with POC. Now I want to perform connector scan. In the connector scan, the three-way handshake will perform. If a port is open, then a SYN request will go. For that, SYNAC request will come and the RESTAC will come. Let us see clearly. Now I want to perform attack on Windows, which is available in my virtual machine. So take your victim IP address. Now I want to turn on my wireshrak. The wireshrak is a packet analyzer. It will show you everything in network like outgoing and incoming requests, data, etc. It will analyze everything. It will receive network data on which network we have connected. I already told you what Nmap will do if you scan a port. The TCP handshake process will be done on background. The process will clearly seen in our wireshrak. Now I will perform a connector scan. Type nmap slash st hyphen p 80. Enter your IP address here. Here you will observe SYN and acknowledgement, SYN and ACK and REST packets. The port is opened. So these packets will be transferring the data. Here you will observe SYN, ACK and REST packets. The port is opened. So these packets will be transferring the data. I did not want a connection to establish. Just I am checking whether the port is opened or not. So I am sending a REST packet and closed. This is called connector scan. Now I will show you another one. If the connector scan, if the port scan is closed, then what will you observe? We will see use nmap slash st slash p and what is the port 8080 and enter here your IP address here. Now I will perform stealth mode. It is a advanced technique. Nmap small s capital S and slash p and enter here your port 80 and your IP address here. Why we use stealth scan is in the server the lock is not saved. Why? Because in the three-way handshake first we will send SYN package to know whether port is opened or not and ACK package for connection establishment. In this also we have sent same ACK package but it hides so that it cannot save on a log file. This scan will use to hide IP address in another victim machine so that they cannot know who can perform that scan. If you think that you scan on any website or anything, it means if you think those are illegal to secure yourself, you can use this scan. Now I will perform Nullscan. It is the one of the main feature of Nmap. Why I am saying is there is no request will be sent. It means in the packet no flag will go out but you will get a accurate result. Only Nmap can perform this scan. You can observe in every scan there is at least one flag will be set up. In TCP, there is some particular flags like fin, urgent, congestion, reserved, etc. I will explain those flags in my future videos. Now we will move to the topic. In the null, there is no flag will be set. In this, the response is a quit difference. If the port is opened, there is no response. If the port is closed, then you will get rest act packet, so that we can understand port is closed. Now we will see sudo nmap /s capital N /p, enter your port here and give your IP here. SN indicates Nullscan and -p indicates ping. In the wireshrak, you can observe non-packets. It means there is no packet available. Here you will observe that there is no packets will be sent here. This is called Nullscan. If the victim have firewall, then we will use this Nullscan. If the victim have a firewall, then the result we get is non-filtered. If the victim does not have a firewall, then the result we get is filtered. Now we will see FinScan. In the FinScan, if the port is opened, then you will receive a fin packet and you will get no response. If it is closed, then fin flag will set and you will receive rest act. Now I will perform FinScan. Sudo nmap /smallest capital F space -p, give your port here and give your IP address here. In the wireshrak, you will observe a fin packet. I think some people didn't understand clearly what are those flags means. For example, if you run TCP protocol using some packets between these process, you will be very big, like verification in between TCP protocol and packets. Sometimes they want to send some important data quickly, then the time it uses TCP fin flag and TCP urgent flag. If it will set on the time, it will directly move to application. So that purpose flags will be used. Here you can observe the request clearly. If the fin packet goes from here, then immediately you will receive rest act packet from opposite direction. It means the port is closed. If you want to learn more about Nmap and want to go to advanced level, then open your web browser and search Nmap firewall bypass. I think this video is helpful to you. If you think this video is useful, share with your friends, and if you are watching my channel for first time, click on subscribe button and hit bell icon to get notifications of my new video. If you have any doubts, comment me below. Thank you for watching.